15% or 1 hour of the school day is time that isn't directly hands-on instruction, which then we can extrapolate to 100 hours in a school year or 3 weeks of instructional time. I'm coming to you from New York. We have 3 weeks of instructional time in the month of June as we get out the 3rd week of June. So it's almost as if we lost that entire month of June just from those transitional times. It's a heck of a lot of time. So our challenge is, how do we get that time back? How do we make the most of our most precious commodity, which is time? And the first thing that I always think through is really being aware of how we're currently using time. And the way I like to approach thinking about the use of time in my classroom is by doing a time audit. The idea that a time audit lets us be reflective and examine our instructional time. It lets us find out, what are we spending too little time on? What are we spending too much time on? And how can we refocus those lost instructional moments on practices that have a direct impact on student achievement and literacy-rich strategies and activities?